Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to use your Visa gift card with Apple Pay? Let's go step by step to add, verify, and use it on your iPhone wallet. Make sure your Visa gift card is activated and from a supported provider. Not all gift cards work with Apple Wallet, so this step is crucial. Open the wallet app and tap the plus button to add a new card. You can scan the card with your camera or enter the details manually. Provide billing information such as your name and address, even for gift cards. Complete verification using the security code sent by the card provider. Once verified, the card appears in wallet. Pay with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode, just like any other debit or credit card. Always check your card balance via the website or customer service to avoid declined transactions. If a purchase exceeds the card balance, you can split the payment between the gift card and another payment method, and that's it. Adding and using a Visa gift card on Apple Pay in 2025 is just as easy as any other card. Thanks for watching.